Okay, let's see. Where am I? So I'm home by myself. It's the first day of February. My dogs, I had to let them out. All right, and they're kind of going nuts. Here they are. Hi, Missy. Hi, Matt. Hi, Ollie. So now, the reason why they're going nuts is my husband left a mouse trap outside. And this is the result of that. Hey, little guy. Hey. What's going on? I don't know what to do for you. I'm afraid. Do you want me to help you? Oh. All right. All right, I'm gonna help you. All right? I don't know what's even stuck in there, and I don't know how to do this. I don't even know what kind of bird you are. I'm afraid. Ah! Don't attack me. All right? You be nice to me, and I'll be nice to you. All right? I'm gonna save you. I hope your head isn't crushed. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Do I have a neighbor that can help me? Where is your head? Where is your head? Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. You guys be quiet. All right, I'm gonna try to help you. Oh! Oh! Hey! You okay? Hi! What kind of a bird are you? Hey! I just saved your life! Okay, goodbye! Goodbye! I hope you don't die. Okay, crisis averted.